Hey, Jason over at Spray Foam Technologies, LLC. My name is Josh, and also here at Midwest Valley Marketing, CEO and owner. I know you spoke with Jen a little bit, wanting some more information in regards to leads. And so I'm going to kind of go over a little bit about what we do, how we do it, and how we really figure out how we can generate more leads based off a website. I believe she sent you over one of the ones that we currently own down in Dallas-Fort Worth area that is generating leads for us. And so you can kind of get a good idea of what a website should look like based off of that. So since we have your website up, we're going to kind of compare some of the differences. One main one being that this is a one-page site. I see it's built by GoDaddy. Not the end of the world, but sites like that don't usually rank very well, and it's hard to do anything with them just because they're so small. They do get the point across of who you guys are, what you offer, where you're located, very basic stuff like that, people to contact you. But for the most part, it's not going to allow you to grow your business and to gather leads based off of online presence alone. So really one thing that we want to really key focus on is what makes a site good. So we took one of the competitors within the area, and it was Wisconsin Spray Foam. There's really not a lot of competition within this area. So if you put any amount of time, effort, or money into your business, I think it's really a great way for you to be able to expand and grow faster than anybody that I can find. So you got a lot of room for amazing opportunity here. But one thing that they have easy click to calls right away, get pricing right there, 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, things like that. People love to see that stuff. Maybe some more photos. What do you guys do? New construction, pole barns. I would assume new commercial as well. I know there's a lot of good money in commercial, as well as the pole barns. I noticed on your guys' site you had a pole barn right here. I think this is probably all the same project, but so you guys offer it and it's good, but we really want to expand your guys' website. That way we can do more with it. And what we want to do with your guys' website is add content to it. Content is something that Google absolutely finds is gold. They'll rank you better for it. It's more information for the consumers to read. We can add backlinks and stuff into it and keywords like that. So in regards to it, when I talk about backlinks, all that kind of stuff, that's considered SEO or search engine optimization. That's really how we get your business found more and how people reach you faster. So I took your URL, I put it here into Ahrefs, and it gives me all this data from you. And as of right now, because it's one of those GoDaddy sites, it doesn't have any data. GoDaddy doesn't do the SEO unless you purchase that package with them. I would assume you haven't, since there's nothing on here. And this is really something we need to get up. But in regards to that, we're going to compare you to this Wisconsin Spray Foam insulation. Same thing. We took their URL. We brought it into here. I was looking at some of their keywords. I'll go into this in a second. But so this is really what we want to start to see is these numbers coming up. Bear with me here as this loads. Alrighty, here we go. We finally got it loaded back up here. I'm going to pause the video for a second so we didn't have to wait forever. But this is what we're looking for. We're looking for some more numbers, right? And so we want to figure out what the backlink count of your competitors is, as well as the referring domains and the organic keywords. And as you can see, once they start kind of putting some of this stuff together and into their website, the organic traffic comes up. And organic is people just finding you because they were easily able to find you online. And that's a great thing to be able to have. You don't have to worry about paid advertising, things like that, if you're found organically. And how we do that is we actually go into all of your competitors. We figure out every single one of their backlinks that they have. Like this, I can go into it and I can find every single possible backlink. Oh, it doesn't want to show up here. But we can. Let me see if I can refresh this here quick and see if we can get this to show up. Because I think this is a really, really unique tool that we have in order to do this. That way we can figure out what good backlinks are, what they already have, if they're already working for them, and if there's other ones we want to go get. So just like this, we can find every single one of the backlinks that they have right now, and we can put them all the same backlinks into your website. Same thing with the keywords, right? We want to go and figure out what are the best keywords that they're using on their website. What's another company here in town or locally in Wisconsin, what are they using for keywords for a spray foam insulation business? We go out and we do all of the research to figure out what it takes to have the best information on your website. So that's one really thing that makes this unique, is that we can really custom build your guys' website out. That way it's performing at the top notch possible. So same thing, spray foam insulation near me. We don't really like to grab near me words. They're very hard to rank. There is a high search volume. Google is near me, right? So we don't want to put words like that. So something like spray foam insulation Wisconsin. It's got 20 search volume every single month. They're only in position number 2 for it. Injection foam insulation. There's a 900 search volume for that. That'd be a good keyword to have. Those guys currently in Wisconsin spray foam are currently at 19th position. So there's definitely room for you to come up into these top spots once we get you guys a website that optimizes and performs very well. Another thing we like to look at when we search a keyword like spray foam is, like I mentioned, we also have Google Ads. This is a great way for your business to get to the top without having to worry about ranking with SEO in the organic side of things. But we also have this right here. This is the Google My Business Profile section, or Google Business Profile section of it. We only ever get 3 businesses right here. And awesome to see you guys are right at the top. One thing I would highly, highly recommend doing is building like a Google review card or something on your website that says, hey, review us on Google. Google reviews are massively important to a consumer. When they see you guys have a bunch of 5-star reviews on Google, they're way more likely to find you guys. And there is ways we can do that and help you out with getting more reviews, but that's also huge as well. So nevertheless, I'm not going to go touch base on Facebook. There's other things we can do with social media. We do run ads and things like that. But for you, I really think your main priority should be is getting this website up to par, maybe even building a new website, because there's not a whole lot to do with this one. So my highly recommendation would be building a new one, getting it built out and optimized properly. That way we can really start grabbing clients for you. But otherwise, vice versa, we also have the website that we built. And I'm going to show you one thing that we can do for you on this end of it. So it was professional home insulation. I think I spelled it right there. Let's see. I'm not going to be able to find it right now because I typed it wrong. Well, whatever. Regardless. Okay. Anyways. Here, I think this is it actually. Yep, here we go. So this is our website that we own right now down in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. So another thing that we do is we go out and we do all of that same research that I was just talking to you about, and we figure out what is the best possible situation to put ourselves in for this website. And we build it, we rank it the same exact way we would for any of our competitors or any of our clients. Sorry, forgive me. We go out and we figure out what all the competitors are doing in that area, and we build out a site just like this. The only downfall to this one is that we actually have control of where those leads go. So if somebody similar to yourself would say, hey, I'm looking for 10 extra leads a month, Josh, I'd say, okay, awesome. We can do that for you. We can either build the site out and give you each of those leads, and you're going to pay for each of the leads, or you can pay for every single month that we give you leads, right? We can work a deal out on that. The only other downfall of that is if you stop paying for those services or those leads, then all of a sudden you're back to square one, right? So doing this, it is a good way to get going if you're really looking for somebody around to know who you guys are. That is a possible option to really kind of start growing your business. But in all reality, the best possible outcome for you is going to be bettering off your business, investing in the marketing to really boost your business online. So that way, somebody like myself or another marketing company who's offering to sell leads like Home Advisors, things like that, Angie's List, you don't have to buy leads from them. They're coming to you organically. They're finding you. They know your name, they know your face. They've heard of you before, and they find you like crazy online. It's just overall a better option in the long run. Leads, more of a short-term thing. Definitely SEO and website build is going to be more of a long-run game. So if you're really hoping to stay in this business for quite a long time, I'd highly advise you to invest into your marketing and start doing better online. With that being said, Jason, I hope this helps you with some more information. Feel free to reach back out to myself, 507-261-9635. Or Jen, you've got her number. I know you guys spoke briefly. But nevertheless, just wanted to get this video over to you, informing you a little bit better. With that being said, Jason, thank you. Have a great day.